Distinguishing this airport's otherwise minimalist terrazzo design is exuberant welcome lettering in 29 languages at 5 entries, a delightful feature. Working in one of the world's biggest and busiest hubs presented challenges for the Terrazzo contractor between the scale of the project, staging materials, and minimizing interference with the airport's daily operation. The 260,000 square foot project included 32 yards of epoxy fill, 22,000 linear feet of poured-in-place cove base, 5 precast staircases, and 20 poured-in-place terrazzo columns, all on an accelerated schedule. Corridor renovations were partitioned off and completed one side at a time to accommodate foot traffic, and care had to be taken to match the strip patterns. Surveyors were used to create benchmarks for technicians to follow, which saved time and ensured an impeccable layout. In baggage claim, new poured-in-place terrazzo was saw-cut to match the pattern of existing precast terrazzo tiles. For a notable job well done, demonstrating superb craftsmanship throughout, at Chicago's O'Hare Airport, we congratulate Menconi Terrazzo of Bensenville, Illinois.